All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're going to talk about budget tool options with tool truck quality. All right, so we're going to do a manufacturer spotlight. I am not sponsored by them, but I own a lot of their stuff. And we're talking about VIM tools. VIM, however you want to say it, VIM tools. Now I have a whole selection of their tools that I purchased myself. They make great stuff, quality, stuff that you can use day in, day out without having to worry about them breaking, which is what we all want. And they're all affordable. Their triple squares are the industry standard. Now these triple squares, I've only used a couple of their sizes, but the extended ones. Now if you work on Volkswagen, Audi, you know what the 14 is used for. Rear brakes on Volkswagens and Audis that are unbelievably tight. I mean, you're wondering whether or not you're going to break something. They're so tight. And I haven't broken these yet, but they're very tight. VIM, triple squares, seriously. I don't know a Volkswagen tech that doesn't have VIM. Now I have a Blue Point set of the short ones, and they've been good. They might be made by VIM, I'm not sure. They do a bunch of private label stuff, but I can't recommend them enough. Now another thing that I use extensively on Volkswagen and Audi is their long Torx Bits. I did a Volkswagen video a while ago about tools for Volkswagens. The T30 is invaluable doing 2.0 intakes. If you're R&R in the intake, that one is the perfect length to get in there, get those bolts taken out, and torquing them back down. Now, unfortunately, no part number, so I can't give it to you in this video unless I sit there and look them all up and all that. But I will link all these tools in the description to the Amazon store, so if you want to buy them and you want to support the channel, you can do that. But they make a wide variety of tools. I've got a full selection of their shorty, hex, triple square, all that stuff. Their nut drivers are my go-to when I'm doing underbody panels. This kit particular actually has a part number, NSM 100 metric nut setters. One side is metric with a magnet, the other side is without a magnet. You notice my 8, 10, and 12 are missing. What could that be for? Underbody panels. They're in my cart. These I keep in my toolbox because I don't use them now. But you know, they have 5-point security driver set, which I've used one of them for something and I don't remember what, but it's one of those tools you need. So I have it. Brake bleeder wrench set, which is a offset brake bleeder wrench. They're great when you're doing brake flushes or bleeding brakes. Come in really handy for getting around calipers and that kind of stuff. And this part number is BB500, 7 to 11 millimeter. Yes, you need 9 and 11 if you work on any European. And now some domestics too. VIM's almost paper thin wrench set. Comes in handy on certain brake jobs where you've got to hold the caliper nut and it's really tight. That's what I use these for. And you guys know, if you've ever seen any of my cart tours, I love their mag rails. They're my go-to storage solution for organizing. Love them, love them, love them. Yes, they're expensive. That's one of the few things that VIM has that is expensive is their VIM rail kits, but they are awesome. Their tools in general are very inexpensive for what they are and the quality you get. I really can't emphasize enough how great their quality is. I use and abuse these tools on a daily basis and they don't break. I can't say of one VIM tool that I've actually broken, which is saying something because I break a lot of tools. Definitely a company to look at if you're looking to save some money on specialty sockets like hex, Torx, triple squares. Definitely a company to go to. They make quality products and they're cheap. Not tool truck cheap. I mean, they're cheap, but not cheaply made. They're very high quality. So I did this video because sometimes I get talked about because, I stand in front of a big old Matco toolbox and, I've got the other one down there. I want you to know there are options out there for good quality tools besides the tool trucks. So if you don't want to step foot on a tool truck, there's plenty of options out there. So this is going to be a series where I spotlight manufacturers and talk about the tools that they make that are good. So if you want to see these videos, make sure and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Comments are always appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.